Liftshare helps you find people to share your journeys with, whether that's a regular commute or a one-off trip. You can save money, cut your environmental footprint, and reduce congestion. And don't worry if you don't have a car. You can sign up as a passenger. Getting started with Liftshare is simple. 1. Sign up. 2. Add your journey. 3. Find matches. 4. Liftshare. First, you need to sign up. Download the Mobilityways app for free from the Google Play or iOS App Store. Click Join. Select Liftshare Public and enter your details. Complete the registration. You'll need to verify your email address to complete sign-up. 2. Add your journey. In order to match with fellow travelers, select Add Journey. Enter your start and end destinations and whether it's a return or one-way journey. Select whether you want to be the driver or the passenger and your journey frequency and timings. 3. Find matches. Click the button to add your journey and find matches. You can then browse through others making similar journeys on a map or as a list. When you click Request to Share, you're able to message your Liftshare match to confirm arrangements. 4. Liftshare. When you hear from a potential Liftshare match, you can respond to their request and let them know whether you would like to meet and share. Every time you share a journey, make sure to authenticate your trip. Authenticating unlocks your Liftshare savings stats as well as exclusive partner rewards like Nectar points. To authenticate, open the Mobilityways app, select Authenticate, and then scan the QR code. Download the Mobilityways app today to start saving money, cutting carbon emissions and reducing congestion.